Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to do a little video, packing video and review on a, well, new to me style Rough and Tumble bag that I just got yesterday. This is the original bucket bag. Now this is a shoulder carry, and if you added a crossbody strap you could do it crossbody as well. It's not a backpack, so it's strictly just kind of like a handbag, tote style. They're all leather bag. This is a custom bag, so I did get it from a lovely lady off the fan page, and this is the Martinique. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, I apologize ahead of time. And then the accents and the strap are a tourmaline. This is a beautiful deep blue. It's definitely blue, but it's not as bright as it looks on the pictures or even on the camera here. I was very pleasantly surprised with this particular leather and color, and it is a Mont Blanc leather, so it does wear nicely. It's got a nice kind of sheen to it, but it's pretty hardy, so I am very pleased with the leather that was used on this bag. This particular one did come with a shorter tourmaline strap, but I actually have the thicker one from my Lotus, so I did put this on here because I just like the thicker straps when you've got a slightly heavier bag. This bag does fit quite a lot, so today I do have it packed if I was taking both of my girls with me. Now I will disclose before I start that my youngest is now fully potty trained, so the only thing that I take for her are a little pair of spare undies and a baggies, but she has never needed them. In fact, today she basically ran all the way from the park to a cafe to go to the toilet because she decided she wanted to go right as we left. So I've been very lucky that way. So there aren't any nappies or diapers or anything. This isn't a diaper bag packing. This is, I guess, a toddler, older toddler and older child packing video. So I will start with the outside pockets. Now there are two, I guess, bottle pockets on either side of the original bucket. Now I don't like putting bottles in the outside of my bags. If you've watched any of my videos, you'll realize that mostly I don't like doing that. I just don't like the look of it. So on this side I actually do have my keys, but these pockets are quite roomy. I do have my Sunny Life bottle here just to show you, and it does fit in there quite well. So if you wanted to put drink bottles and such in there, that is possible for that one. There aren't any feet on the bottom of the Rough and Tumble bags. It's just the way they're made because they are handmade. On the other side here I do have my iPhone 10 that fits perfectly in there. And that's it for the outside pockets, but I think that's substantial because those are the things I would want to reach for the most. So I'm just going to take the strap off here so we can get into the bag. So the bucket does close with a magnetic snap right here, and it is very easy to find the snaps. I actually kind of prefer my handbags or purses maybe not to be zippered sometimes, especially when you have children and you need to get in and out of the bag pretty quickly. And I find I would always have to take the bag off and unzip it. So this is perfect because I can literally just kind of reach in like this on either side, but we'll unsnap it so you can see. So you can see the tourmaline, the trim does go around all the way in the inside of the bag here. Now this bag is not custom lined, it's just got the standard lacquered linen, but this is a really pretty gold. So I don't mind, I think it's really nice. This is a very roomy bag. As you can see, I don't have this packed to capacity, but I think it's perfect because it is a little bit heavy even with this in here because it is all leather and lined and everything. So this works perfect for me, and I love having extra room just to toss things in if I need to. If I was taking both girls, I would take both play packs. They like to have individual stuff to do, and these are great. So I just put stickers and coloring pencils and things in there. I also have a cash pack by Rough and Tumble, and this is in this sage denim. This is what I'm using for my wallet at the moment, and I will do a separate video on how I'm packing this up and how it compares to the other specific Rough and Tumble wallets or items they have to be used as wallets. I just find this is great. I'm really loving this. So separate video to come for this. And then the only other thing I have in there is a thermos fontainer. And as you can see, the bag stands up on its own. It is a little bit more structured, and this was exactly what I was looking for. I'm actually kind of preferring this to the hobo pack sometimes because I just don't want to dig for things. There is a zip compartment on the back here which also has a leather zipper pull right there, you can see that. And in here I have quite a few things. It opens up nice and wide, wider than I expected it to. So in here I do have my mini wipe pouch. This is just got for wiping hands and things. I have a coin purse in here by Jujubee. This has a little spare pair of undies and some baggies, which I never use, touch wood. And then on the other coin purse is just my hairbrush and hair ties and such. But very, very roomy pocket. You could fit heaps more in there, but be aware it would push into the center of the bag. So that's the only thing. I'm just going to turn the bag around here. And on this side, I do have my small set piece by Jujube, which has my lipstick and lip gloss. I just want to show you that these pockets are another great place to put a Funtainer or a drink bottle if you don't want it rolling around the bag, but because it is structured and it is on your shoulder, I find that the drink bottle doesn't really tip over anyway, especially if there's other things in the center of the bag. Then in this pocket here, I just have my Mummy Med Kit, Jujube small set piece, and a hand sanitizer. And that's it. That's all I carry in there. Now, I wanted to point out some other features. There is the tag here that they sew into every bag. It's just a little hard to see. In there, right there. And then this little hook here, all the Rough and Tumble bags come with a key fob hook thing that can be removed and used on its own or used with the bag. And this particular one has a hook as well here, so you can easily hook on your keys or a little clip case with your wallet or anything like that. So that's it. So that's everything that I packed into my bucket. It's great. It's a great shape and everything. I do have a picture of it next to my small Lotus, so we'll pop that up now so you can kind of see size wise. And I have done a video on the Lotus, so I will pop that down in the description or up in the cards as well, so you can check that out. So I hope you enjoyed that video, guys. If you have any questions, please pop them below. Have a great one, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.